Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 in the Allure specification. So it's got a 1.6 Blue HDI engine with an automatic gearbox. You get this lovely panoramic glass roof, 18-inch alloy wheels. There's front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera and also tinted rear windows. Inside of the car you've got sat-nav, there's Bluetooth connectivity, dual zone air conditioning, cruise control, got automatic headlights and wipers, and the car comes with 1 year's warranty. So let's have a look around. So if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.